artificial intelligence.
Jobs.
Artificial intelligence.
Job. Artificial intelligence.
Predicting almost half of all global jobs could be affected by artificial intelligence.
That 40% of all jobs around the world will be impacted by AI.
And found AI could replace 300 million full-time jobs, including positions in the legal and engineering fields.
Elon Musk is making news once again, this time for predicting that artificial intelligence could leave everyone unemployed. The billionaire painted a dystopian picture of a future where robots would steal all the jobs. Musk also claimed that jobs would be optional and more like a hobby, leaving people emotionally unhappy.
But generative AI generating opportunity in the labor market with job postings climbing 6,000% this year. Kate Rooney has more. Kate?
Hey, Tyler, that's right. So workers want to get in on the buzz around ChatGPT and generative AI. There's been a surge in interest in AI-related jobs. It's according to Indeed. Searches that include AI were up 20-fold. The CEO tells me there's not nearly enough jobs, though, available to keep up with that demand.
So there's about a 500% increase in the number of jobs that mention generative AI. There's about a 6,000% increase in the demand from job seekers for these jobs. But there still is, I think, a mismatch the other way in that the total amount of demand for AI talent far outstrips the number of AI professionals.
And the truth is, AI is going to change the way all of our jobs work. But in that change also comes great opportunity.
Heard the AI warnings.
Every technological revolution affects the job market.
AI could cost some humans their jobs in the near future.
But AI is also creating some new jobs, specifically one. So I decided to apply. Job title, prompt engineer. Responsibilities, writing text commands or prompts to get the best answers out of a generative AI large language model, like ChatGPT. Pay up to $250,000 a year.
Artificial intelligence is the future. According to the International Monetary Fund, AI will affect 40% of all jobs in the future, 40%. And the world seems unprepared for it. And so are India's engineers. According to a new report, 67% of them think that AI will take their jobs. 87% are considering upskilling. Will that be enough to safeguard their careers?
So what's the solution? Well, the only way out is upskilling, and India's engineers agree. 87.5% believe upskilling can future-proof their careers. 89% want to acquire hard skills. 86% want to know more about generative AI.
So the only way out is upskilling right now. The demand for skills in generative AI is skyrocketing. Upskilling in generative AI, ChatGPT, prompt engineering, and AI tools not only will boost your career, but will also enhance your day-to-day work, making tasks more efficient and effective. If you know how to utilize AI tools to its full potential, don't miss out. Register for our free workshop and start your AI journey with Upskill Alpha. See you there.